4, 3, 2, 1, start. Madam Speaker, on this auspicious day of Vasant Panchami, I rise to present the budget for 2017-18. Stop. Spring is a season of optimism. Stop. I extend my warm greetings to everyone on this occasion. Stop. Madam Speaker, Sir, Government was elected amidst huge expectations of the people. Stop. The underlying theme of countless expectations was good governance. Stop. The expectations included burning issues like inflation and price rise, corruption in day-to-day transactions, and crony capitalism. Stop. There was also expectation for a major change in the way the country's natural resources were allocated, processed, and deployed. Stop. In the last 2.5 years, it has been our mission to bring a transformative shift in the way our country is governed. Stop. We have moved from a discretionary administration to a policy and system based administration, from favoritism to transparency and objectivity in decision making, from blanket and loose entitlements to targeted delivery, and from informal economy to formal economy. Stop. Inflation, which was in double digits, has been controlled. Sluggish growth has been replaced by high growth, and a massive war against black money has been launched. Stop. We have worked tirelessly on all these fronts and feel encouraged by the whole TED sports of the people to our initiatives. Stop. The government is now seen as a trusted custodian of public money. Stop. I take this opportunity to express our gratitude to undertake many more measures to ensure that the fruits of growth reach the farmers, the workers, the poor, the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, women, and other vulnerable sections of our society. Stop. Our focus will be on energizing our youth to reap the benefits of growth and employment. Stop. Stanza. Madam Speaker, I am presenting this budget when the world economy faces considerable uncertainty in the aftermath of major economic and political development during the last 1 year. Stop. Nevertheless, the International Monetary Fund estimates the world GDP will grow by 3.0% in 2016 and 3.4% in 2017. Stop. The advanced economies are expected to increase their growth from 1.6% to 1.9%, and the emerging economies from 4.1% to 4.5%. Stop. As per current indications, macroeconomic policy is expected to be more expansionary in certain large economies of the world. Stop. Over.